Hello everyone, it's Chef Marisa Catanzaro here. Today I'm going to be preparing bucatini with filetti di pomodoro, which is fresh plum tomato with prosciutto. This dish will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients needed: Italian plum tomato, onion, bucatini, prosciutto, oregano, black pepper, crushed red pepper, wine, tomato paste, chopped parsley, and basil of olive oil. I'm going to put my oil in first, onions, add the prosciutto, add the white wine. I'm going to add my little paste to it. I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. The pepper, crushed red pepper. Bring it to a high boil and then lower it to a simmer. And it should be ready in about 45 minutes. I'm going to cook my bucatini. I already salted my water and quickly try to make them all fit and stir them for the first couple of minutes. Here's the final product, bucatini with filetti di pomodoro. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next dish. Buon appetit.